Don't download Endowus app before watching this. If you're thinking about using Endowus app to grow your wealth, hold on. Most people see it as just another robo-advisor, but the surprising truth is that it has both unique advantages and some limitations that are often overlooked. Endowus is a Singapore-based digital investment platform designed to simplify investing with globally diversified portfolios. It offers answers account integration, low-cost funds and automated portfolio rebalancing. While these features sound perfect, there are a few things you need to know. First, account eligibility. Endowus mainly serves Singapore residents, and you need to have access to SP or SIRS accounts to maximize its benefits. International investors or those without these accounts may not get the full value from the platform. Second, investment style. Endowus uses a rules-based approach and primarily invests in low-cost ETFs. While this is great for long-term, passive investors, it may not appeal to those looking for individual stock picking or high-risk, high-reward opportunities. If you want more control over your portfolio, this could feel restrictive. Third, fees. Endowus charges a platform fee on top of fund management fees. While these fees are relatively low compared to traditional financial advisors, they are not negligible. Most people underestimate how recurring fees impact returns over time. On the positive side, Endowus excels in transparency, portfolio rebalancing, and tax optimization. It also allows you to consolidate multiple accounts for a clear view of your investments, which is rare among robo-advisors. In conclusion, don't download Endowus expecting a fully universal investing platform. It's best for Singapore-based investors seeking low-cost, passive, globally diversified portfolios. By understanding eligibility, investment style, and fee structure, you can decide if it's the right fit for your financial goals without surprises down the road.